So I don't know. We'll see how this goes. Hey there, thank you so much for stopping by my channel. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. If you are brand new here, it is great to have you. Welcome here every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. We talk about beauty, health, wellness, lifestyle, and Disney. So you should just do yourself a favor right now. Click that subscribe button. Come on, you know you want to. Click, subscribe, like, that way you won't miss another video. So today I'm going to be trying a little bit of a hair experiment. I am going to be using this curling iron. It is from Sutra Beauty. It is their mini ceramic curling iron with cool tip. It's a compact curling iron. Apparently it's in pastel yellow. And if you have watched previous videos of mine, you might be saying to yourself, hey, isn't that the curling iron that in a Boxycharm base unboxing video a few videos back, I'll link it up here and down below, you can watch it after this, but wasn't that the curling iron that you kind of bitched and moaned that you got in your subscription box? And yes, the answer is yes. But after I posted that video, one of my viewers commented this. And I thought, yeah, I have quite literally nothing else to do. I'm kidding, I do work 2 jobs from home right now, but I thought, yeah, let me try this out. I've never used a curling iron before. Oh, that is teeny tiny. I have never used a curling iron before. I don't even know, like, what is this? This is what it looks like. This is what they're calling pastel yellow. I don't know. As a former art major, I would say that this is not considered a pastel yellow. I would consider this like an eggshell, but tomato, tomato. So I am going to try curling my hair. So I do have curly hair. Just want to point that out. Usually for my videos, I'll just kind of like brush it out so that it just looks like pretty much a hot mess and just looks like this. I don't actually know why I brushed it out. I should probably just leave it curly for you guys. But anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna try to curl this hair with this. I thought that curling irons came with a clamp. Am I just like imagining that? I've only bought straighteners before. Like I've only dealt with straighteners. So I don't know. We'll see how this goes. Let me plug this in and let it heat up, and we'll start our plan of attack. This came with no directions. It just came with a warranty and safety card, as well as like, look at this extensive line. It came with an extensive line of things. It came with a code. I am not going to be purchasing any of these items. So if you want to use the code for 25% off, it is Boxy25. First things first, turn it on, guys, because I've been sitting here waiting for it to warm up, and I haven't turned it on because I'm special like that. So a few things that sort of are making me uncomfortable about this whole curling iron experience so far. There's no like number. Like I'm used to hair straighteners having like a number gauge of like the temperature. And there's not that. Like I can feel it warming up. It is warming up fairly quickly. It's only like I've only cut out about like a minute of this footage. Yeah. All right, so I assume that you would like, because I like straighten my hair, because I straighten my hair in sections. So I'm gonna assume I'm gonna have to curl my hair in sections too. I don't know. It also bothers me like there's nothing to hold my hair. Like, am I going to have to hold it myself? Let's give this a try. It's also not very sturdy. I keep waiting for it to fall and like burn my leg. All right, that's start. Like no, because that's where you would start straightening it. Is it like this? Is this how you curl your hair? Maybe. Oh, that's cute. No. Like, I don't feel like there's anything that would hold the curl. Am I just tight coiling my hair? Is that what I'm doing with this? Okay, that's sort of. Okay, let's do a little bit more and see. Okay. All right, so that one looks kind of pretty. This one does too. Let's see maybe if, like the longer my hair. Because my hair was actually cut to like be like a huge like swoop this way a while ago. It looked really cute whenever it was first cut, but it's been a few months. That burns. Okay. Well, Walt has joined the party. He's concerned. Right. All right, so I'm gonna do the rest of my hair, speed you guys up a little bit, and see how it goes. Okay, so let me turn this off. What a waste. Burn tally, by the way, I burned myself 7 times. But this is how curly my hair got. And I know that like I was like kind of like smooshing it around. And so there were a few like really like specific curls. This is actually like the best curl that like actually came out. I mean, I do like it. It's a look. It looks much better than the hair that I had whenever I sat down to film this video. But as far as like a curling iron product, just for reference, this is what my hair normally looks like curly. And so like this is like nowhere near even like close to that. Like this just looks like borderline really messy waves. So yeah, still not thrilled. I mean, this was fun. It was an experience, to say the least. And it's an experience that I will never use again. Like I also felt like just the fact, like, I don't know, like I felt like there was something missing in this wand. Maybe it's because it's a travel size wand. Maybe this is what all curling wands look like. But I felt like I was just like, you know, whenever you see old pictures of like the turn of the century and people are like doing their hair with like an iron to like actually like straighten their hair, and like it's like a poker that they put to curl it. Like that's what I felt like I was using. It did not feel like anything like super super revolutionary. I still kind of stand by my like first impression. I'm really displeased that I did receive that in the subscription box, and I'm definitely glad that I didn't go out and spend my money on it. I don't know, maybe it works better for longer hair. If you have used a Sutra Beauty curling iron, leave in the comments down below what your thoughts of it were. Was it easier to use? Did you get actual curls? Like, does your hair look prettier than mine does right now? Because this, yeah, no. This just looks like a volumized mess. Hopefully yours was prettier if you did use this product. All right, so that is it for me today. Thank you so much for spending a little bit of your day with me. I hope that you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. All right, at this time, YouTube should be recommending for you to click on my face, which you should. Clicking on my face means that you subscribe to my channel and you won't miss any more videos. YouTube is also going to be suggesting 2 videos for you as well. Make sure that you click on those if you would like, and you watch them, you like them. I'll see you later. Bye.